my name's Elijah and I'm in the Shaw Family channel. Today I'm going to be doing a challenge. My dad challenged me to fly my own RC helicopter and challenge him around this race course that we're in now. So we're going to see who can fly the fastest too. This is going to be fun. I think my time's going to be way faster than his. Who do you guys think's going to win? Me or my dad?
I'm going to make a time Elijah can't beat. He thinks he's better at flying than I am. So let's put him to the test.
No! No.
3,
No.
2, oh shoot.
Yes.
Oh!
We crashed. This is taking a long to land, guys.
Done. Time. You can't beat it. You know you can't beat it. Look at his face. Look at him. Look at him. All right, now it's Elijah's turn. Here we go.
Okay, ready? Let's go.
Oh. Slow down.
Oh god.
No. You gotta get lower. Put it off that high. You get lower. No, you can't do it.
Yeah! I did it.
Duh.
Let's go. I beat him.
Both me and Elijah went. We're about to check and see who did it the fastest.
I think I won.
No, I don't think you won. No.
You took a long on landing.
No.
The only part I messed up was when the hand actually put me on it.
But the helicopter was pretty much pretty easy to fly, I think. It hovered and it went fast, you know, once you get it figured out. So we'll have to think of another way. We can do another challenge to see if we can use that again. That was pretty fun. So thanks for watching, everybody. Stay tuned for bigger and better things, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye. We'd like to send a special shout out to Freebies for sponsoring this video and providing the helicopter we used in our challenge. Please check the description for our current giveaway where you can win a prize. Be sure to like, subscribe, and check for post notifications. Shaw Family Channel out.